knows. Please be strictly in accordance with the operating instructions in case of harms. It is suggested to use in an open but not densely populated area. The default mode is optical flow indoor and dual mode outdoor, optical flow plus GPS. Please comply with the local relevant regulations. Learn the limitations and requirements of airspace and reasonably use this product. Please keep the battery far away from the fire and flammable materials. No squeezing or removing. Please recharge the battery indoor. This product contains small parts. Please properly place it. Product display. Product list display. Pre-flight preparation. Open the storage bag. Take out the drone. Unfold the drone's arms. Then unfold the drone's 4 blades. Take the remote controller out from the storage bag. Remove the back screws of the remote controller with a screwdriver. Open the battery cover of the remote controller. Correctly put 3 AA batteries in the drone body. Close the battery cover. Tighten the screws. Tear up the screen protector from the remote control's display and the drone lens. Lightly press the battery switch of the drone. At this moment, the battery capacity will be displayed. Then long press the battery key for power on. Turn on the remote control. The remote control makes a sound of D. The drone is automatically matched successfully. Geomagnetic correction is required for the drone before each flight. Put the drone on the flight ground. Long press the 1 key for return key. The remote control makes a sound of D. The drone's light turns into quick flashing from slow flashing. The gyroscope calibration is finished. Long press the speed key. The remote control makes a sound of D. The drone's light turns into quick flashing from slow flashing. Pick the drone up 1 meter above the ground. Rotate it for 3 circles clockwise on the horizontal plane. At this time, the remote control makes a transient sound of D. The geomagnetic correction in the horizontal direction is finished. Upright the drone. The camera is down. Rotate it for 3 circles clockwise. At this time, the remote control makes a long sound of D. The geomagnetic correction in vertical direction is finished. Geomagnetic correction is required for the drone before each flight. In outdoor environment, the drone will automatically enter the mode of GPS. The positioning will be finished after the satellites become 8. The remote control will make a sound of D, indicating the entrance of the modes of GPS. The drone's green light is long bright, available to unlock and fly. At this time, the drone is in the mode of GPS with the GPS function. Connect with Wi-Fi. Scan the corresponding QR code. Download app. Enter the option of phone settings. Open the wireless network. Search for the device. Carry out connection. After that, withdraw from the option of settings. Open the software on the phone. Put the phone onto the phone bracket. Before the flight of the drone, please unfold the remote control's 2 antennas. Only by doing that can the control distance be not affected. Drone unlocking. Put both of the remote control's right and left joysticks in the posture of 8 out or 8 in. By doing that, unlocking is completed. The drone will fly if the motor starts. Basic operations. Long press the 1 key for flying key to fly. Long press the 1 key for landing key to land. Go up. Go down. Turn left. Turn right. Go forward. Go back. Fly to the left side. Fly to the right side. Headless mode. Dual speed switch. Steering engine camera adjustment. Function of camera and video. Camera and video key. Short press for camera. Long press the camera and video key. Start to record. Again, long press the camera and video key. End the recording. Gesture photo. Click on the icon of gesture photo and video about 2 meters right ahead of the drone lens. Make a gesture of yeah with the hand raise. After the drone successfully recognizes the gesture, it starts to take photos after a countdown of 3 seconds. Gesture video. Click on the icon of gesture photo and video about 2 meters right ahead of the drone lens. Raise one hand with fingers exactly vertical. After the drone successfully recognizes the gesture, it will start to record. Again, recognize the gesture and the recording. Click on the icon of VR mode. Wear the VR glass. Enter the VR mode. Experience the function of 3D VR. Zooming of 50 times. Available to console adjustment. Independent app control. After the remote control is matched with the drone, connect the drone with Wi-Fi through the phone. Open the app for regular transmission of video. At this time, turn off the remote control. The app on the phone will be connected with the drone within about 5 seconds so as to control the flight. Then turn on the remote control. The remote control will be connected with the drone within about 5 seconds so as to control the flight. Waypoints. Click on the icon of waypoints. Zoom in. Draw the waypoints. Click on the icon of sending. The drone will start from the starting point. It will fly to the first point on the tracks, then fly point by point in order. Point of interest. Click on the icon of flight around. Enter the radius of flight around, 4 to 20 meters. Click for confirmation. The drone head will center on the current location. Fly clockwise or anti-clockwise. During the process of flight around, it is available to control the drone in going up, going down, going forward and back. GPS-based follows. Phone app follows. Click on the icon of GPS follows. The drone will fly by following after the phone. Click on the icon of 1 key for return. The drone will return to the starting point automatically. Click on the icon of MV. Enter the interface of MV. In MVs for matching content, it is available to add background music, filter and lens effects. Then share by clicking on the button. Battery replacement and charging. When there are only 2 bars remained for TX battery, the remote control will be low power. Its signal is weak. At this time, replacement of battery is required. When there are only 2 bars remained for RT battery, the drone will be low power. At this time, the drone's light will be flashing, changing from being long right. Then replacement of the drone's battery is required. Pull back the battery clasp, make the battery outward and take outage. Connect the one side of USB with the battery charger jack. The other side is connected with the USB interface, a 5V 1 to 2 ampere adapter. During the battery recharging, USB's red light is flashing. The battery indicator is not on after the battery is full. About 4 hours are required for the recharging process. After the battery recharging is finished, put the battery into the drone body. Drone's blade installation. Remove the screws. Take out the blades. During the replacement, pay attention to be corresponding to A blade and B blade. Put the blades into the drone. Tighten the screws by continuously rotating.